my son's cot is all packed up and away, which is very sad. It's a sad day. He's a big boy. Trying to figure out how to get this off. There we go. And that bit came off.
Now it's all broken. This tall. This tall.
That tall? Even taller?
This tall.
I think more like that tall, yeah. Thank you. Oh, Rumpelstiltskin.
Rumpelstiltskin.
What's this doing over here?
Lovely bedroom. Hat size. I have like 20,000.
So I've been up early clearing out the room and stuff, and I cannot believe how much mess there is under the beds. Actually I can, because I never clean under them, so it's actually not a surprise, but still shocking. I'm just making, well, I'm not making, I'm putting butter on some hot cross buns for the kids' breakfast, which I'll put with some fruit, and then I'm going to need to get back to sorting. When? Okay, one positive so far is that I have found my eyelash curler that my son hid. So that's a win. Other finds include crackers, pretzels, glow-in-the-dark star hair ties, and of course Leo. I was just hiding away some of the kids' books, and I came across this, which is a book, like a photo album of pictures of me when I was a baby that my mum made for me when I was having my daughter. I'm just flicking through, and I have to say I was quite a cute baby. I'll show you one of them anyway. Pretty cute. Not as cute as my babies though, of course. It's a lot of huffing and puffing. Do we need to take you to the doctor, mister? Take it easy for a wee while. Okay. Who's going on the top and who's going on the bottom?
I don't mind. I go on the top. Mummy, can I
Top?
go on the top for the first night?
Oh.
in two cots stuck. Actually, yeah, maybe it is. Because one cot on there and well, on the second cot. My head starts to fall out and then my body starts to fall out.
That is hitting the bottom.
Yeah.
You grab a ball of the beds.
That'd be good.
So good there. Can we make our room a theme? That looks like... I think we're missing one more person to come go trick-or-treating with us. Hello!
The bunks are up, as you can see behind me. So you can see at the moment I've got my son on the bottom and my daughter on the top, but there has been some arguments already. So we'll just see what happens. They'll manage it. They'll sort themselves out eventually. My son's cot is all packed up and away, which is very sad. It's a sad day. He's a big boy, but that's okay. He's been needing to get into a big bed for a while, so this is really good, and I think it's going to be good for him, and I think getting into a big bed before he starts school is probably going to be really important for him as well. It's always so scary whenever you move things in your house because underneath you discover all sorts of stuff. I'll insert a picture here, but the other room is an absolute disaster and I really don't want to start on it, but I know if I don't get it done today I won't be able to sleep tonight, so I'm going to have some lunch and then I'm going to try and tackle it. Make sure that I take an after photo and show you that as well so you can see from where we started to where we finished up. I think doing this change around as well has meant that we've been able to throw away quite a bit of stuff. Throw away or donate, just stuff that we haven't needed for ages that we've kind of uncovered. Just time to get rid of it. A bit of a cleanse, I think is what they call it. A spring clean, even though we are almost at the end of summer coming into autumn. So it's an autumn clean. Let's call that an autumn clean, that's nice. I did just want to say a quick hello to everyone who has been watching from America. I've had quite a few comments from people shouting out where they're from in America. So if you are watching from the US, please leave below in the comments where you're from. I'm fascinated by how big America is and how different each state is. So it'll be awesome to hear where you're from. I'm going to say goodbye for now and I will be back with another video. Hopefully, I'm trying to do now 2 videos per week, 3 if I have time. When I first started, I'd put a video out every day, including several shorts. Just wanted to make sure there's heaps of content up there. So if you were enjoying it, then you could go back and you could watch a whole bunch of it. But I think now 2 or 3 videos a week is going to be my maximum. Obviously working as well as having 2 kids, it's just not feasible to be able to be doing a video every day, although I really wish I had the time. It's been a lot of fun. Eventually I'll try and get into a good schedule and rhythm, but at the moment I'm just trying to find my feet still, so hopefully you'll bear with me. But thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!